Karma Guy here. Let me introduce you to an incredible deal on a 2014 Audi A8 L TDI sedan. This car is loaded with value and comes with a comprehensive dealer service history, including 47 service records and recent maintenance valued at over $1,750. Plus, it still has the original books, so you know it's been well cared for. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, which means it's backed by our Quality Plus warranty. That's 3 months, 3,000 miles of coverage. And if you want peace of mind for the long term, we also offer a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you purchase. Don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option at the time of sale for even more protection. As for recent service, this A8 has undergone a full pre-delivery inspection, including repairs and replacements like control arms, a serpentine belt, air filter, and of course, a fresh oil and filter change. As always, we encourage you to bring it in for a pre-purchase inspection. Transparency is key. Speaking of transparency, we take it a step further here at Karma Automotive. We've included multiple computer scans in our photos showing a clean bill of health with no pending or permanent trouble codes and no dash lights on. Plus, it has passed Georgia state emissions, so it's ready to roll. We understand that buying a car is a big decision, which is why we offer this vehicle as a dealer-certified pre-owned unit. Just remember, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and the included warranty and maintenance plan. As the saying goes, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. This Audi A8 L TDI sedan offers quality and peace of mind, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Reach out today to schedule your test drive.